Hello and welcome to another update video about AGIX. Yeah, let's take a look at this chart, which is still, in my opinion, bullish, or at least has some more bullish potential to the upside. There are three structures I have on this chart that it's never great, and for probabilities, okay, for clear probabilities. However, I have a preference, of course. Okay, so I give you my own preference. Let's start with the least likely scenario that I don't necessarily believe that, and that is the white count. In the white count, we have a super uber bullish scenario in which this was a wave 1 in white, this was a wave 2, this pullback into the October lows. The move up in a third wave would ideally reach $10.50 as first ideal target or more. Then we would get a wave 4 pullback and one more high, which would reach even higher prices. My concern is, that's possible as mathematical projection and everything, but we would then be looking at possibly $36 or $69. But it's possible and likely that the bull market is over before this is reached. Okay, so there's just something, it's just something to observe, to have on the radar, but it's not anything that I would promote actively, or well, I shouldn't say promote, but that I actively track. I'm tracking it on the chart, but not as a preferred scenario. We should know about it, but there are many other things that could happen along the way that will, let's say, destroy the scenario along the way. But it would basically have to be a massive diagonal, I guess. And I don't see the microstructure support this scenario at the moment. So then we have a scenario in orange, which is a huge 5-wave move. And basically that means we're in the late stages of this 5-wave pattern. And we had a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. This was a wave 4 and a wave 5. It could top at any point. Yeah, fulfilled all requirements for this move. I just don't like the proportions. The third wave is very long compared to what happened down here. That's not too unusual, but the wave 4 was very deep, but it never invalidated an impulsive structure. So therefore, it reached a 50% fib level down there. And that was exactly the tipping point where I said, okay, if we break below that, I think it was 15.7 cents, this confirms a bearish scenario. Unless we do that, the focus can be still on bullish movement. And yeah, it turned around where it needed to. And this is now a wave 5, and it could be finished at any point. Yeah, so is that likely? I think it is not unlikely, at least. But then we would say this is a 5-wave move. Okay, not bearish at least, but it could indicate that a larger pullback is underway. A, B, C. So this would be orange wave 1 basically. And this would be a wave 2 pullback that could send us back into the region around the previous wave 4 of lower degree, around 20 cents, from where we could then start a third wave rally possibly. This is the second most likely scenario. I would take this more seriously if the micro support level breaks. That's relevant for the yellow count. The yellow count is my preferred scenario. And in this scenario, we have 3 waves up in wave A in yellow. We have 3 waves down in wave B in yellow. That would explain the deep pullback because it's a B wave. And now we are in a C wave to the upside, which should get another 4-5 pattern. So the interpretation is we have a wave 1, we have a wave 2. We have a wave 3. The wave 3 could still be unfolding. Yeah, it's long enough to be complete. Like with most altcoins, we don't really have a very reliable microstructure. But what I can do, I can give you the support area that I think is relevant. And support is between 91.6 cents. Has it changed? Just slightly. Between 95 cents and 59. So that's the micro support area, okay. And as long as we're holding 59 cents, the focus can be on higher. Okay, if this is already the wave 4, or maybe we are still in the third wave, we will see. That is, we don't have that clarity on the micro level that we would need to make an assessment, or at least have clarity. For now, it's still printing higher highs, higher lows. And really, I need a break below that 95.5 cent level to really confirm we are in wave 4. And then as long as we're holding 59 cents, the focus can be on higher for one more high in wave 5 of C. So where could that C wave land? $3.31 would be a common target for a C wave, in this case at least, because it's the 100% extension level of the A wave. Let me just double check that if this is, yeah, that's correct. So the 331 level can always go higher as well, but the microstructure might only need one more high to be complete. And then we have wave 5 of C complete. I will continue to track more bullish potential until I see confirmation for a break, okay? But that would fulfill the yellow count. At the moment, the yellow count, yeah, I mean, it could be complete, but it looks like another 4-5 pattern is missing. At the moment, I don't have enough clarity to say this is wave 4, but the support area is clear, so we focus on further upside against the 59.2 cent level. That's my update about AGIX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.